Let's talk about how to copy a worksheet in BluHorn. Worksheets can be copied within the same campaign or to other campaigns within the BluHorn platform to make your life easier. Once you've found the worksheet you want to copy, open it. For this example, we'll be using one from my dashboard. Once the worksheet is open, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Copy Worksheet. A dialog box will appear asking you where you'd like the new copied worksheet to go. You can copy the worksheet to the current campaign that it's already in, or you can choose any other campaign you have available in the system. Make your selection and then click Copy. The page will reload and you will be redirected to the new copied worksheet when the process is complete. You can then edit the properties of that worksheet if necessary to meet your needs. When copying a worksheet, you can choose to copy specific lines to the new worksheet, leaving out all other lines. To do this, use the eyeball icon to filter the worksheet lines before copying the worksheet. Then, when you copy your worksheet, the only things that will be copied to the new worksheet are the visible lines. Click Copy Worksheet and choose where you would like it to go. The new copied worksheet will only contain those lines that were visible. You can now start work with your new worksheet. Hope this has been a helpful way for you to learn how to copy an existing worksheet in the BluHorn system. You can quickly access worksheets anytime using the Worksheets tab on the left-hand menu, where you can quickly navigate to Pending, Active, Archive, or All Worksheets. In need of some help? Click the life raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. For additional information on worksheets, check out our video guides at bluhorn.com/videos, where we go into detail about each type of worksheet available. Thank you, and see you in BluHorn.